You ever wonder what actually goes through her head when she realizes she lost you? Not the movie version, the real thing, the stuff nobody says out loud. Here's the truth. Most people don't get it until it's gone. That's not just a cliché. It's a gut punch, especially in relationships. It's not just regret. It's a full-on mental spiral. Memories, what-ifs, and a sudden, sharp clarity. Let's break it down. I'll give you the play-by-play. No sugarcoating. 1. The breadcrumbs start dropping. First sign, she starts poking around. Not obvious, not, "I miss you." More like, "Hey, saw your post." Or she likes a photo from 6 months ago. Maybe she follows you again. You know the drill. This isn't random. It's calculated. She's testing the waters, seeing if you'll bite. I call it the breadcrumb trail. She's not ready to be vulnerable, but she wants you to know she's thinking about you. I've seen it 100 times. My buddy went through it. His ex? Radio silence for months. Then out of nowhere, she's liking his vacation pics, dropping "hope you're well" in his DMs. He asked me, "Why now?" Simple. She's feeling the loss. She's curious if you're still there. If you spot these breadcrumbs, don't jump to conclusions. Watch. Is she genuine or just bored? Sometimes it's about her ego, not you. She wants to know she could get you back if she wanted. Don't fall for it. Stay sharp. 2. The safe check-in. Next move? She reaches out, but it's never deep at first. No, "I miss you." It's "how's work?" Or, "Did you see that show we used to watch?" Safe topics, no risk. Why? Because nobody wants to get rejected. She's protecting herself. She wants to see if you'll open the door crack. If you do, she might step in. If not, she can pretend it was nothing. Here's your move. Be honest. If you're open to talking, keep it light. If you're not, don't fake it. Don't give her false hope. Respect yourself enough to be clear. 3. The fear kicks in. Here's where it gets interesting. Absence creates fear. When you're gone, she starts to feel it. At first, she thinks you'll come back. But when you don't, when you actually move on, that's when it hits. She starts asking herself, "Did I screw this up?" That's loss aversion. Psychologists talk about it all the time. People hate losing more than they like winning. It's why she suddenly cares when you're not around. If you've been working on yourself, keep going. Don't let her sudden interest throw you off. Your growth is about you, not her. But sometimes, this is where real conversations can happen, if you're both ready. 4. Should you reconnect? Sometimes getting back together makes sense. Maybe you broke up over something stupid, bad timing, stress, not because you didn't care. I know a couple who split because of work schedules. Months later, they ran into each other, talked it out, realized the breakup was a mistake. Now they're married. It happens. But here's the catch. If the breakup was about something deeper, lying, cheating, total incompatibility, don't go back. Don't kid yourself. Some things can't be fixed. Ask yourself, why did it end? If it was a surface-level issue, maybe there's a shot. If it was a core problem, walk away. Not every reconnection is a good idea. 5. What's she really feeling? Let's get inside her head. What's she feeling? Regret, nostalgia, guilt. She misses the good times. She regrets not appreciating you. She feels guilty for her part in the breakup. But here's the kicker. Most of this is about her, not you. She wants closure. She wants to feel better about her choices. Mark Manson says it best. People chase closure for themselves, not for you. Don't let her feelings run your life. Be aware, but don't get sucked in. Your growth comes first. Always. 6. The ball's in your court. Picture this. she sends you a message. Been thinking about you. Now what? You're at a crossroads. This isn't about her feelings. It's about your future. Do you go back or do you move forward? Think hard. Going back might feel comfortable, but it doesn't guarantee anything. Sometimes it just repeats the same old cycle. Pause. Reflect. Look at how far you've come. Is it worth risking your progress for something familiar? Or is it time to keep moving? Respect your own journey. That's not selfish. That's smart. The best relationships happen when two whole people come together, not when one is chasing the other. Bottom line, losing someone teaches you about yourself. Whether she's realizing what she lost, or you're realizing what you deserve, growth is the goal. Don't settle for less. If this hit home, drop your story in the comments.